Hey guys, Wade here with Diesel Freak. Wanted to talk to you guys on something simple here that we've got going on. Brand new 24 Roxor just came from the dealer off the lot about a week ago. We're doing some things to it. And it sat in here and we noticed we were getting some drips on the floor. I've been getting a lot of calls and complaints. I see it on Facebook. If you look, this is the factory hose that comes from the reservoir down to the power steering pump. In the middle, it's got cracks in it. Both ends are cracked. It's wet just from sitting. It hasn't even been used or under pressure, which wouldn't be much pressure. This is a non-pressurized line, but weak clamps. So what we've done is come up with a new petroleum-based, or petroleum compatible, I should say, hose and upgrade kit. This will handle gas, diesel, any oil you throw at it. Nice stainless steel worm clamp. Fits right in place. Goes between your reservoir and the pump, connects the two together. We got pumps, reservoirs, return lines, high pressure lines. We got the power steering belts, everything you need for Roxor. We got it in stock. But the one thing that I see is a real downfall and complete garbage right from the factory is this hose. They all need changed. You're gonna wanna look at yours. You can peek right in through the frame rail below the fender and see that hose, and I'm sure yours has cracks in it. If it's not leaking, it will be. We're gonna have this on the website. Go ahead and get one. Ease of mind, if that leaks out, you lose the fluid in your reservoir and that goes empty and your pump runs dry, you could damage your pump. So we're looking to save you a few $100 there by saving that issue coming up. We got a stack of wheel alignment tools. If you're playing with your steering, doing any lift, you wanna realign, we got them available. Just wanted to shout out and show you we got a new replacement hose, one that you'll never have to change again. Thanks guys, have a great day.